questions. Communication tools for students, educators, and administrators to create interactive content, allowing those of all ages to visualize concepts and communicate creatively. Buncee is a fun and easy tool to use for presentation. It has a toolbar at the bottom that makes it simple to use for experienced and beginner users. In Buncee, we can easily create, express, and share your ideas. Buncee's interactive drag and drop interface helps students, educators, and administrators to create engaging multimedia projects and presentation to increase interactivity and flip the classroom. The creative tools for all classrooms create and share content from anywhere, empower students as content producers, encourage creativity, access student knowledge acquisition. In Buncee, we can also draw. So this is an example, like this is a picture of banana and this banana is drawn. Buncee also has a huge picture and animation selection, and it even has its own mascot. Why should you choose Buncee instead of Google Slides or PowerPoint? Well, for example, Buncee has many features that other presentation tools do not have. Buncee has amazing stickers, animations, backgrounds, text fonts, and colors, plus a really prodigious drawings feature. Some stickers they have include llamas, dogs, cats, squirrels, and many more. Buncee is an app. However, Buncee.com is a website where you can create stories, your own planet, or even a blog post. Buncee beats the rest. Now I'm going to tell how Buncee beats the rest. Buncee is a great way to show your creative side. You have so many more options for your slides. You have numerous stickers to make your slideshow fantastic. Buncee has everything imaginable. It beats Google Slides and Keynote, and it makes it more fun to do projects. Buncee has taught me how to be organized and how to show my creative side. Buncee even has a drawing feature that lets me draw. If Buncee do not have what I need for my projects or assignments, I can explore the web. Buncee has any font imaginable. It dazzles your presentations. Now let's do the demo session. So first we have to open our browser, and then we have to write buncee.com. So this is coming only. So search. So at the first page there will be two options, login or sign up. So if we already have existing ID, so we will log in, or we do not have, so we will sign up. So I already have, so we will log in. So I am going to log in with Google or Microsoft. Then we have to choose our email ID. So when we will log in, so this is the dashboard. So if we want to create a new Buncee, so this is my Buncee that I have created. If we want to create new, so there is option create new Buncee. So when we will click on it, it will ask create on Buncee 3.0. We will click on that. When we will open it, wait, it is opening. So there will be many options. We can add many templates, like there are many templates which I have used recently. First option is awards and recognition. So there are many options in that templates. You can choose any template. So if I want to choose this, so then it will option use this template. When we will click on this, so this page will appear, and also and I can do editing also. There is a plus sign. I will click on that, and then our first step is that have to change the background. In the background also there are many options like color, or we have to choose the color, or if we have our own background we can upload it, or we can choose from a trending, like which are most popular. So like I so let me add about all about me. So for example I will add this, and then there will be option that add to this page, or it will be if we will click on all pages, so it will be added to all of them, but I want to this only, so we will click on this page. Now it is so now let me show you. So all this is our first slide, your name. So if we want to edit it, so we can edit it from the plus item. It is behind the plus item. Then we will click on, then there are many options will appear. Then we will click on text. Then there will be a text box. Then we will increase the size, and then we will write, so we have to double click it. So if I want to write, I want to center, and if we want to increase the size, we can also do from here text size, and if we want to do bold, so we can do from here, or we can change its font also, so like this. Then if we want to change the text of the color of the text, so we can do, or if the text is not visible, so we can change the color of the text box. So like first we will fill this, then for example if we want to choose, so the text box color will be changed. Now let's move to the next slide. It is already full. Now my family, so I will, there are many options, like second option is shapes, so we will put shapes. Like there are many shapes, we can make a scenery also by choosing this sun, cloud, rain cloud, star, tree, palm, waves. Like if I want to add rain cloud, sun, tree, plum tree, wave, star, so as we can add as much we want, then we will click on add. So see, it will be added. We can arrange them like this, and we will move this cloud up, and we can, So like this we can make anything. My pet. So I can add a Bunchy 3D picture of a pet. So like we will drag this. We will go to animals. Then so like this is a puppy. So we'll add. See, it is added. Now we can increase the size. We can also add more pictures. So let's move to next slide. My friends. So I will. So I can put a Bunsy animation here. Now, like friend, I will search friendship. So like, we can play and see this how they're looking, or we can add this also. Then we will click on add. Then we can increase its size. Now it is visible. We can write the name also in this. So we will click on text box. Now I am going to add the name of my friends. We can change color. Now we can change the text box color also. We can change the text box color also, like I'm going to change the text box color into orange. See, let's move to our next slide. So first we have to change the background. So like I'm going to change the background from this option. No, it is not looking nice. There are many background. We can choose any of them, like this or this. And then we will add our next then we will add our Bunchy sticker. Like I am going to add this. There are many stickers, we can add any of them. Now let's move to our next. Now we will put this background and this page. Then we will add item. We can add Bunchy emoji also. Like I want to put this, or this. So we can add as much we want. See, they all are added. Now we will increase the size of them. Now we can create a party scene also. Let's move to next slide. I think there is no doubt until now. There is any doubt?
No, no says not yet.
Okay. There are messages like
No says not yet.
okay. So like I want to add birthday, so I can add. And then we can go to next, move to our next slide. Then we will add a 360 image, like I want to add the 360 image of a river. So this is a 360 image. So like I want to add this. So now I am going to increase the size. See. This is a 360 view. Let's move to the next slide. Now I'm going to take this back. Then I will put Khan Academy. So there are many options like this is option specially for videos. Like I am going to search math. And there are videos related to maths. So like I'm going to add this. So see the video has added. We can add educational videos also. Or let's move to the next option. So our next option is uploads. So like I have something in my laptop, so I can add this from the laptop also. Like for example, I want to add from the desktop. Like I want to add this photo. The edit option, we can edit it also, like if we want to crop it, so we can crop, but I don't want to. We can put the image in circle also, then we can rotate it in 90 degrees. Then we can save it and then upload it. It is uploading. Wait, it is uploaded now. I'm going to. So I have not put it the background yet, so I can put it now. So let's. So if I want to take this, so I will see. We can change the background. Then there are many option opacity. If we want to make the photo transparent, see, background is transparent. We can do the photo also like this. See, it is transparent. Now we can flip it also. See, And we can also duplicate the slide
link to it.
and we can link to it also.
How to add a link?
Then so we click on reset, leave it. So we can copy a link and paste it here. So like for example, I am going to copy this link. One minute. Now I'm going to paste it. See, it is pasted. So when we will preview it, so it will open. So let's move to our next one. So like let's put a innovative background. So, so like I want to put this. So I can put this, or I can record a video also, and I can take a photo. I can put a MCQ question, like I will enter question, like so like I'm going to type how many SDGs are there. Then we will give a choice to them. Uh, then we will save it. So it is coming. So we can do like this also. Let's put a new option. We can put OR code also, like QR code. So if anyone will scan it, so our Bansi will open, which I have made now. When it is done, so we will go to preview option. Now we will click on autoplay. We can go to full screen also, and we can reset zoom also, see, or we can show pages also, or there is option immersive reader also. So if we will click on this,
You cannot read.
anybody who can't read can understand from here, like I think you are able to listen it or not.
No, Sahaj, we are not able to listen it.
Okay, so leave it. So there is first option, we can increase the text size also from here, and we can change the font, or we can take a light theme, and our second option, and we can mark nouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, part. They are mostly parts of speech. So see, I have enabled this option, so they are marked. So this is very important option. If anyone don't know any language, so we can convert it also, like I am going to convert it like if I want to convert it into Hindi, so we have to enable this option. See, it is converted. And if we want to make it in the original option, so we can do that. And then if we have done once, so if we want to share it, so we can share it. In the share option, there are many options like code, email, share with Buncee users, RSPV, social, download. So we will go to first we will go to this, then we will if we will click on anyone, so if anyone is able to copy our Buncee and able to edit it. So like I don't want to do this, so
Close the copy option
so we are go so we will go to second option, code, then we will copy it
and paste it.
and paste it, like I am going to paste it here. So see, we will paste it here and send, and when we will open it, so it will look like this. See, it is open. And then I'm going to show you my presentation.
Pause it.
I hope the demo is clear to everyone.
It's clear, beta. Could you please explain the MCQ part again? Can the MCQs be automated?
Yes, ma'am, I am explaining again, ma'am. Ma'am, we can add NCQ question from here,
Plus
from the
button.
plus button. See, ma'am, now it is clear to you.
Yeah, perfect, Sahaj. I'm really proud of you. At such a young, tender age, you're doing a lot. Great going, beta.
Thank you, ma'am. Then, ma'am, then our assignment is that your assignment is that you have to make a Buncee for 5 slides on any SDG goals and submit it on the same through mail. And now I'm going to end the session with a wonderful quote. There is a way to do it better, find it better. Thank you.
Over to Tanvi.
Over to Tanve Bhaiya.
Thank you, Sahaj, for the wonderful session. I
Start your own presentation. You can just take the background and you can type in your own text box and you can write everything on your own. So here you have to click create a new Buncee, click on this plus button. So this type of window will appear which will say create on Buncee 3.0. So I click on here Buncee 3.0, and once I click here it will ask me that what kind of backgrounds or templates you want. So there are many templates which are already given by Buncee. So if you want to use those templates, it is okay. Otherwise you click on this button start from scratch. So this kind of blank canvas will be available to you. So the first, there are two circles you can see here. The first circle is for adding the background to your PowerPoint presentation, and the second one is for adding the animation, adding text, adding pictures. So first step is you have to choose the background. So once you click here, you can choose multiple backgrounds. There are different options you can choose from web. You can take a simple color background, you can upload your own background, or you can type in various words to search in. So if you are making a presentation that is related to food, so you type in here food. So all the backgrounds which are related to food, which are available in Buncee, will appear for you. So you can choose this background here and click on this page. So this is the only background option given to you. Now once you click on this plus button, so there are multiple options. You can add text, you can add shapes, you can draw something, you can add Buncee 3D images, you can add animation, stickers, Buncee messages. So let me show you Buncee messages. So Buncee is this creature, a mango-like creature. This is called a Buncee man. So there are various competitions which are organized by the Buncee organization also. So if you once you log in and make your account, they have recently started a Buncee creative challenge where every day you have to create one Buncee and a new badge will be allotted to you by the Buncee team. So these kind of competitions they keep on organizing regularly. So you have to first make the account and explore these options. There are Buncee messages. So there are different quotations which you can use. There are Buncee emojis which you can use. There are Buncee stickers, Buncee animations. You can put any image from the web, 360 image. You can put Khan Academy images. So all these options you can put in your own blank canvas and you can explore according to your wish if you don't want to use the template. And once you go to the Buncee dashboard, the first slide, so here on the top, if you see, there is an option with a blue tab, Ideas Lab. So once we click here, you will come to see the Buncees which are created by the people around the world. So these Buncees are created by the students, by the teachers around the world. So if you like any presentation, they are free to use. There is no copyright. You can use these presentations also. So if you want to use this one, Father's Day card, so you can click on create this. It will ask you an option. Let me just mute everyone. Okay, now it's better. So once you use this, so you can use this card and you can edit this card and you can make this card for your father and share the card with the help of this share option. Once you edit it, it is ready. You can click on share button. So there are different options. You can share it through mail, you can share it on social media, you can download it, you can email it to your father, you can send it through a link, or if you want to embed this code in website or in any of the other message, you can copy this link and embed it. So there are different options. So is the query clear?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have one more query that we put different kind of background in each page?
Yeah, beta. Every page has got this option where you can put in different backgrounds. So like the way I was showing you. So if I click on this plus button, it will give me again a blank slide. So I have the option of using another background here. There is no restriction. You can put, there are two options, whether you want to put this background to only this page or all pages. So if you click on this page, this background is added to only page 2. For the third slide, you can again go to background and you can choose another page. So as per your choice, you can click on the backgrounds and put a separate background to all the slides. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Hello, ma'am. Sai Lakshmi this side.
Yeah, yes, beta.
Ma'am, if we want to share the our template or the PPT. So if we download it, what will happen?
Yeah,
If we
when
want to
once you
download it and then we want to share.
So if you want to download it, you go to share option and you click on download. So there are two options given to you. So the two options are either you can download your Bunsey as a PDF. If you want to download your presentation in the PDF form, it is available. Or you can also download each slide of yours as a separate image. Can you see Sai Lakshmi on the screen?
Yes,
Either you
ma'am, I
can
can see.
download the full presentation as PDF, or you can simply click on the images that you want to download, and each of your slide will be converted into a PNG image. So there are
Okay,
two
ma'am.
options. Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so
Okay, beta.
much.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Raju side, ma'am. I want. Can you explain it again because I had some technical issues with my Wi-Fi.
Yeah, beta. Which option? Download option.
No, ma'am. The link option.
Okay, so once you click on share button, beta, there are different options. So you have to change the setting. So it will ask for who can view your presentation. So there are different options. Anyone with the link or anyone without having the link also. So it will be added in the ideas lab, your presentation. Specific Bunsey user, maybe some of your friends are already Bunsey users, so you can share with them, or you can choose only me if you are only making the slides for your own use and you don't want people to see it. And you can also select this option whether people can comment on your bunsies, whether they can copy your bunsi and use the template which you have created. So there are multiple options, and once your settings are done, you click on code and this link is created. You simply copy this link and paste it in the WhatsApp group, or you can send it through email. You can share it on the social media like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. You can email it. Simply click on email. So it will ask you send email. So once you write the email address of the person, so that will be shared with the people whom email IDs are already entered here. So like Sahaj has emailed his holiday homework to his English teacher and science teacher. He has created on the Bansi only. So that shows the status of Sonia ma'am and Namita ma'am and other teachers whom he has sent. So this is how you can share the link and mail the PPTs made by you to your respective subject teachers.
And
Okay. Any other questions?
thank
Hi,
you, ma'am, and say
is
Such good
Bansi better than
idea.
PowerPoint?
Yeah, one by one, please
Yeah, I'm
repeat
so
it again.
sorry. Yeah, I'm so
Yes.
sorry. Is this better than PowerPoint? And are we able to use the slideshow option in this on Zoom also?
Yes, ma'am. Definitely, it is better because PowerPoint does not give you the access to different animations and the Bunsey messages and the video. It is easier to embed it here, and once it is converted into PDF, you can share it in the classroom session. Is my screen visible now?
Yeah, it is visible. Thank you.
Yeah. So on the top, can you see there is an option of Teams also? Create and share a meeting on Microsoft Teams.
Okay.
Yeah, so here from here also you can organize a Teams meeting. So what is the benefit is that if you organize a Teams meeting using Bunsey, so the virtual backgrounds that the Bunsey is going to give you is all of Bunsey mans. So people who are teaching Bunsey and sharing about the Bunsey board, it is a latest platform. On Twitter, you must have seen a lot of people are using Bunsey boards these days. So here, if you organize a Teams meeting, so various kind of virtual backgrounds are there which are related to the Bunsey man, and there are different options which they are giving for the